Hello everyone, it's Mark from Earthy Repairs, and today we're working on a Legion 5 fan replacement, and we're just going to unscrew all the screws from the bottom. Grab a PH00 screwdriver or 00 screwdriver to remove these screws. With a little bit of imagination in the heart, anyone can fix something. Once all the screws are removed, grab a metal pry tool and pry right here in the bottom, and then give it a little twist, and you'll hear it pop. Every little screw, you'll hear a pop, and then just twist it on the bottom and get the bottom off, and then you'll be able to lift it up and pop it all the way off. And you do it a kind of yanking motion, and yank and twisting, and you can get it off, just like that. Perfect. Now we can see the internals of the Legion 5. Before we get too far into the repair, we want to make sure we disconnect the battery with the plastic spudger on the flat end and use it to push off the connector. Do not use a metal tool to disconnect the battery because you could damage something or you could cause a short circuit. Before we get too far into the video, I want to introduce you to this video sponsor, Drive Savers, and this is a hard drive. It is definitely broken and it needs a data recovery. Along with this phone was unrepairable and has something board level wrong with it, and Drive Savers is definitely the place you want to send your repairs that you fail to repair and you need to do a data recovery. Use my reference code to get a free estimate today and see if they can get the data. I'll leave details in my description below. Perfect. Once the battery's disconnected, now we can grab out our PH00 screwdriver and unscrew the heatsink. And we'll just start unscrewing all the screws. And then there's going to be screws holding down the fan. And this is nice because you don't have to take out the motherboard to do this repair. So it's pretty easy and anyone can do it. But if you're worried and you want me to do the repair for you, you can always email me, mark@worthyrepairs.com, and we'll get that all set up. Be careful. Try not to strip the screws. So what I do is I put a lot of pressure down on the screw and then I unscrew it before I actually start unscrewing. Once you loosen the heatsink fan screws, you'll take out the fan screws, and there's going to be 3 of them, and there's one on the very top that's silver, and 2 that are kind of like a bronze color that are on the bottom side of it. I don't know, they put the warranty sticker on the fans. It's like they already knew that the fans are gonna break. I don't understand why Lenovo puts these warranty stickers on the computer when you can buy the parts from them, and then it's just like, why the heck is it on the part that broke? Like, they made sure that this computer's fans would go out eventually and you'll void the warranty when you remove that screw. Alright, now to get the fan connectors off without breaking it off the motherboard. You want to lift it and doing a wiggle motion and kind of wiggle it back and forth with your hand. Or you could get some pliers, but pliers could damage the port, and you just want to pull it out nice and gentle and make sure you wiggle it because it is really hard to get off. I had to put my screwdriver down and try to get this one off without damaging the board. And this is the hardest part of the whole repair, so take your time. Remove the 2 screws holding down the bracket that's over top of the NVMe M.2 slots, because those are holding down the heatsink and fan. Now we can see their upgradability, and it's an M.2 NVMe. It's probably, I think, a 2230 size. I think that I said that incorrectly, but whatever. Who cares? And we are going to take off these brackets, and it looks like there's 2 slots. So you would expect that out of a gaming laptop that's not a slim version. Anything that's like says slim in it, it has like no RAM upgrading, and this one you can upgrade the RAM. Let's lift off the heatsink and fan. It came off nice and easy, and it looks like the thermal paste is a little bit dried up, but not fully dried on the GPU side. We'll grab out the part, and they've supplied the part this time, so I'm assuming they bought it directly from Lenovo or they bought it on eBay or something like that. Some reason the fan and heatsink came with the thermal paste all dried up right here. We're not going to scratch it off of the metal pry tool, though. We're going to get our plastic pry tool and scratch it off. It's so dry that you do not want to put it on with it this dry. We're going to use a paper towel, some isopropyl alcohol to clean off the dried up adhesive, and then just blow it away when we're all done. And try to clean it off the most we can. It is pretty dried up on there, so I couldn't get it all off, and I didn't want to scratch up the CPU with the plastic spudger at all. So we just get it off the best we can, and then apply a hefty amount of thermal paste. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe and continue watching the video. It helps my analytics. If you want me to get paid for my videos for free for you just watching it, that'd be great. But otherwise, I'm just going to play music and just put it back together, and you guys can take it from here. You can fix your fans of your Legion 5 that sounds like a turtle that's trying to run fast.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something I
Make sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. It worked and it was worth it.